Hello, welcome back. In last lecture we talked about how to move the object and how to use this work plane. Now in this lecture we will talk about various tools and commands are available in Tinkercad to make an effective 3D model. So now the first command is to copy. You just need to select your model and then you can do copy by this clicking this option. This is copy, and if you copy it, now if you want to paste, then this you can click on this one, paste. So this will be pasted, this one like this. Again if you want to paste it, then you can click it, you can again paste it. So you can paste whatever amount of models you need. You just click this paste and the model will be duplicated, right? So the first one is copy command and paste. So in general, how we copy and paste, in general our Excel, Word file, Microsoft Office, we do generally Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. And similarly, if you don't want to use these options, you just can Ctrl+C. Like if I will select it and Ctrl+C and then I will do Ctrl+V, then it will be copied. You can practice it. It's very simple. Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. So you can Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V also for copying or paste your object. If you don't want to use copy command, then there is another command also used in copying, that is duplicate. The third one is here, duplicate and repeat. You can duplicate it and repeat. If I want to click here and then it will be duplicated, okay, and I will click repeat, then in same pattern it will be repeated. Whatever quantity you need, you can make it, okay. So I hope you got the idea that how to do copy and paste and duplicate. We will use these commands in making our models. Now if you have given some command which is not useful or which you don't want to and you want to redo it, you want to undo it, so you can do two things. You can do Ctrl+Z for undo, and also you can do this, use this arrow. This arrow here you can see the undo, Ctrl+Z or this arrow. So by using this arrow you will do undo, and if you want to redo, you can click this one or Ctrl+Y, so you can redo also. So here you have learned till now that how to do copy and paste and use duplicate and undo and redo. Now coming to the most important thing, that is grouping. Okay, if you have this model and I am taking another model, that is cylinder, and if I want to insert this cylinder in this cube and I want to merge it, I want to merge both models. If I will click here and if I will do, then so if I will click this cube and move it, then this cube will be move, but cylinder will not move. Similarly, if I want to move this cylinder, then cylinder will only move but cube not move. If I want both to move together, we need to group it. So grouping is very important for making any model. So how to group it? So firstly you need to select both the models. Now how to select this? First there are three methods to select. Simplest one is that just click here, just click your left click here, and there will be a square, just click it and you can see both models are selected. Here shapes 2, it means 2 shapes had been selected. If there are 3 shapes, then there will be a 3 shapes. Like if so, you can see here that how many shapes are to be selected and how many shapes you wanted to be selected. So if both are same, if 2 models are selected, then you can group it. So for grouping you have this option group. So Ctrl+G, you can do Ctrl+G or you can just click it, then it will be grouped. So after grouping, if I will move this model, then both will move together. So this is the group option, right? I will undo it again, and then I will show that how to select the model by different method also. So the first method I told you, that click left click and drag this one and the model will be selected. The second thing you can do, for as you do in Microsoft Office, there's Ctrl+All. Select Ctrl+All, then all models will be selected. So Ctrl+All is also a very good option. You can Ctrl+All and you can group it by this one, or you can this one, or you can command Ctrl+G also for grouping. So this is how you can group any model together. Now how to ungroup? If I want to ungroup, if I have grouped something which I don't wanted, so how to ungroup this? For ungrouping this, there is a again option near the group that is ungroup. So you can do Ctrl plus Shift plus Z, or you just click on this, then this will be ungrouped. So groups and ungrouping can be done in Tinkercad by these commands. So I hope you got the fair idea about how to group something. Now the next is align. Align is very important term, very important command for making a perfect models. So how to use this align command? If I want to put this cylinder above the cube, then what I do? I just can drag it and I can take cylinder to top. But here you can see those are not aligned. There is very difficult to take this cylinder into this center. Here if you think that it's okay, but if I will rotate it there, then we can see there is a slightly difference. If I will put in Z direction also, then again this is not fully aligned. So how we can merge each other, how we can align this? So for aligning this, we have align tool. For aligning, we just need to select both the models and just click on this one, align. Align, you can just click on L or align. So if you click this, then here you will see the lots of dots, black dots are there. So if I will click this dot, then both will be in center. So if I will click this, then you can see both are in center. But here again, both the models are not in center, so I will click there. So here we can see that this is fully aligned. Now if I want that both the model will be in middle, so you can click this, then this will be merged in each other. So you can align, you can use the align tool. Align tool is very important. In subsequent lectures we will use aligns many times. So by the time we will end our Tinkercad journey, you will be expert by using align tool. And I hope whatever model I make in Tinkercad, I generally use align so many times, and align is such a tool that it reduces your so many time and effort. So I hope you got the fair idea about align. Let's talk about few more things like flip. So if I will take this one round roof, and if I want to mirror it, I want to flip it, then I just click on this one mirror, and if I will, this will be flipped. Okay, so you can use this flip command also. Many times we will use this mirror or flip command whenever required. One more command that is very important, that is ruler. Here we can use ruler for measuring dimensions. This one is the logo ruler. Just I click to this ruler and ruler will be there. So if I will put this scale anywhere, so from this point this scale will measure the distance between all the surfaces. Like if I will click there, then I can see that from cube, from this origin, what is the distance of cube, what is the distance of the cylinder, and all the distances you can got by this ruler. So ruler is very important command when we draw drawings for measuring different dimensions. You will use rulers also. We will also in upcoming tutorial we will talk about details. We will talk in details about ruler, that how to use this ruler commands. So I hope you got the fair idea about the copy, paste, duplicate, grouping, aligning, ungrouping, flip, mirror, rulers. So these are the very important commands which are very essential for learning Tinkercad. So I hope you are doing practice along with my lectures, and in next lecture we will talk about the various how to do dimensioning, how to rotate your models, and the remaining parameters which we have not discussed yet. Thank you. If you want to learn complete 3D printing and make a career in this field, you can click to the link given in description box and start your journey now. In this course, you will learn 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, from start to finish. This course includes design of 3D models, slicing of 3D model, 3D scanning, types of 3D printers, still file formats, post-processing, 3D printing materials, and many more, along with assignments and quizzes. At the end of the course, you will get a certificate which will help you for your job interviews. The prices of course is so minimal that everyone can afford. So see you inside the course. Thank you.